Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is January 31st, 2025, and we're diving into Northrop Grumman's fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Northrop Grumman has reported some impressive numbers. Can you give us a brief overview of the company and the highlights from this report?
Absolutely. Northrop Grumman is a leading global aerospace and defense technology company. For Q4 2024, they reported sales of $10.7 billion, maintaining a steady performance compared to the previous year. For the full year, sales increased by 4% to $41 billion, reflecting strong demand for their products and services. The company also achieved a record backlog of $91.5 billion, indicating robust future business prospects.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Northrop Grumman reported a net revenue of $10.7 billion for the fourth quarter of 2024. How does this compare to their performance last year, and what does it say about their profitability?
Northrop Grumman's Q4 sales were comparable to the same period last year, but for the full year, they saw a 4% increase in sales to $41 billion. This growth is driven by strong demand across their segments, particularly in aeronautics and defense systems. Their operating margin rate improved to 10.6%, up from 6.5% in 2023, indicating better cost management and operational efficiencies.
And what about their net earnings?
For Q4 2024, net earnings were $1.3 billion, or $8.66 per diluted share. This is a significant improvement from the previous year, reflecting higher operating income and a favorable mark-to-market pension adjustment.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. John, let's talk about earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $6.27 for the quarter. How did Northrop Grumman perform in this regard?
Northrop Grumman exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $6.39 for Q4 2024. This beat the forecasted EPS of $6.27, which was based on a survey of 9 analysts. The company's ability to surpass these expectations highlights their strong financial management and operational execution.
What factors contributed to this EPS outperformance?
The EPS beat was primarily driven by improved operating margins and a favorable mark-to-market pension adjustment, which positively impacted their net earnings.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Northrop Grumman has also provided guidance for 2025. What are the key takeaways from their future outlook?
The company is projecting continued organic sales growth, margin expansion, and double-digit free cash flow growth for 2025. They have a strong book-to-bill ratio of 1.23 and a record backlog of $91.5 billion, which positions them well for future growth. Additionally, they plan to divest their training services business by mid-year, which is expected to streamline operations and focus on core areas.
How does this guidance align with their strategic goals?
Northrop Grumman's guidance aligns with their strategy to lead in technology innovation for national security. The focus on organic growth and margin expansion indicates a commitment to enhancing profitability while meeting the evolving needs of their customers.
Key takeaways. In summary, Northrop Grumman has delivered a strong performance for the fourth quarter and full year 2024, with sales growth, an EPS beat, and a robust backlog. Their guidance for 2025 suggests continued positive momentum. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Northrop Grumman's strong financial results and strategic focus on innovation and growth make it an attractive investment opportunity. Their ability to consistently meet or exceed expectations and maintain a healthy backlog bodes well for future performance.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Northrop Grumman's performance in the comments below.